a last short sequence is that we want to look into, the relation of D and F. Just to say hello, because they like to be touched, and like us, they like not to be alone. So what we do is, we just do a Leo and a Cancer afterwards. And just, we know it already what's happening, but just to know they are opposites, but they harmonize so nicely. In our social life, it's not always that easy, and to experience it here, isn't that wonderful? So, have this being at your center first. Feel this uprightness. Feel your sunshine. Prepare your hands. The sun centers of your hands, and then start with your chest. Feel the space behind. Use the forces of your chest to carry the movement. And use the forces of the chest to create this raying out. Wow. Yeah. Feel this bigness. And now you are already in your center, but very differently now. It's a completely different sensation. And you just slowly approach yourself. You feel what's carrying the left arm and what's filling the right arm. And the body may digest it. And then just let your hands go where you have arrived or you have been anyway. And let go. Breathe. Let's do with the background of the D and of the Leo and the Cancer, only the D and the F. How do they profit from each other? The D knows that the F will come afterwards. Place your feet, feel your lower legs. The space behind you. The body taking over. Approach this elastic system, search for it, where are you? And press on it. Feel your size. And then look for, I am tall. Keep this feeling alive, this very sensitive feeling of I am tall when you enter the space behind. Approach yourself from behind. Feel the resistance. Manage to penetrate. And feel what comes back towards you. And let go. Staying in your heart. One step forward or backward, and the last sequence would be to do all four elements one after the other. The Leo preparing the D, the F following the D, and the Cancer welcoming what has happened. Leo. Sorry. That's a feeling your body can give you. It comes out of your body, not out of the soul. The soul enjoys it. You create it as your body. Wow. Let this Leo stay alive. It's completely there. When you listen to your space behind, when you enter the sphere of Leo, with it, bringing it along, and then you search for your grounds in yourself. When you reach them, and when you remember yourself, from there you just go into this space. There is this Leo force which needs to be passed through. I managed, I'm there, I'm born. Feel it and stay born. Feel what's all around you and let it come to visit you. Bring the blessings to your birth. And stay who you are. Let go, arrive where you are anyway. And let go. Without losing anything what you have felt. Slowly sit down and just look around in your body, in your sensations. What this touching these elements is doing to you. How do you feel the realm of your chest now? What about your uprightness? You have worked, you have done all these exercises, you have worked such a lot, you have moved mountains. You are allowed to be tired, to be exhausted. But is it like that? Or do you also detect joy or forces of growth in yourself? And where are they? How do they express themselves? And how can you differentiate them? And you can be sure it's not only nice for you to have made these experiences, it's so nice for these forces that they feel touched. It's all about, and that's why we have these thoughts in mind when we do something, because it's like using the name when you say hello to somebody. Not just say hello, but say hello, Carla. Yeah? It creates a different relationship. And then they are strengthened